Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making these super cute vegan flamingo cake toppers. If you're new to my channel Cake and you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe at the end of this video. Now let's start with the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cans of chickpeas, and I've drained the chickpeas and I'm using the water from those cans. I've left it in the fridge overnight and I'm measuring out about 125 milliliters. I'm pouring this into my stand mixer and beating it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I add about half a cup of sugar, or about 125 grams, and 1 pack of vanilla sugar. If you like, you could also add like a strawberry concentrate to just give the whole thing more flavor. The result of this is a perfectly firm meringue, the same way you expected with egg whites. It's also beautifully glossy. Now I'm ready to start creating my flamingos, so I'm coloring the meringue with rainbow dust in the color claret, and I've prepared a pastry bag and placed a tip inside of it, and I'm using the Wilton 6B tip. Now I pipe a number 2 on a wooden skewer. Then I add the wing of the flamingo. And since I want to create 2 flamingos, I repeat the same process with the second skewer. And by the way, this recipe makes about 12 to 14 flamingos depending on size. Now, using the remainder of the pink meringue, I've added a little bit more food coloring, so the same color as before, and just darkened it a little bit. And using a gem tip 352, I'm adding on the feathers of the flamingo. Just a little bit of the leftover meringue I've colored yellow to create the peak of the flamingos. And last but not least, I'm using golden sugar pearls to create the eyes of the flamingos. Now these are ready to dry in the oven, so I've preheated my oven to 100 degrees Celsius or 210 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to leave them in the oven for about 75 minutes. After 75 minutes, I'm going to turn off my oven and leave them in there for another 30 minutes to completely dry. The result are these perfectly hardened meringue flamingos, which are vegan. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you enjoy this type of content, then I hope you subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.